We're just here now. We just dropped off the brakes to FYR Auto to get resurfaced. It's my goal here now. I'm waiting for them to get resurfaced. I'm just gonna clean up the calipers, clean up the hub, clean up around a bit, clean up the shims and pins. We're not gonna get it fully done today because we're still waiting on the new wheel stud. This one come out. Other than that, gonna clean up the pads a bit as well. Probably size up a bit more, see what we got, see what else I need to finish the engine and put that back in the old Subaru. Other than that, keep you posted on progress. Just take out your shim pins here. And you just push out your pins here and here. Your shim will come out. Clean that up then. Alright, everything's out. Clean everything up, re-grease the pins, clean the shims. Clean up those brake pads. Alright, see the little brass miniature brush here. Clean it off, you can see the difference there. Alright, got one of the shims cleaned up, all the rotors are clean. Just finished cleaning up, switch to a steel miniature brush for the shims. And once that's done, I'll re-grease these pins after I clean them. Alright, so we got these cleaned up a bit. A few nicks on her, but overall not bad for 2012. Pads. Alright guys, got the brakes back there from FYR. And they look basically brand new. So we're gonna put these on now. Try and video a bit of it as I'm going. Get these little clean off first. Get a little spray around there. Spray the hub. Get rid of any debris. There we go. These bolts, I looked it up. There's a lot of misconfusion there with reading in the manual on the proper torque specs on these Brimbos. In the manual it says 1.14.3 foot-pounds, but I think it's, by talking to Brembo, I think it's a misconception that that's actually NM, not actually foot-pounds, which when you calculate it out comes out to be about 80 foot-pounds. But usually if you put on any anti-seize and any bolts like that, you do 20% of that. So I think that comes out to be around 69 foot-pounds here. I'll give it a check. Yeah, 60 foot-pounds, sorry, and 36 for the rears, 60 for the front. So I'll just take a bit of anti-seize here. And I think that's why a lot of people have trouble with these bolts when they're taking them out for the second time is they might be over torqued, which causes the bolt to possibly swell. That's probably what's going on there. So a little bit of anti-seize there, silver grade. Get them to the side. Grab our caliper here. Get in there close. There. Bottom one started. Got that one going pretty much full way. This one's a little bit of a bitch. Alright. You're using a 12 here. Oh no. Here's 11 by 16ths. Got that torque there. Torque. That's at 39 foot-pounds there. It's perfect. Now I just gotta get the wheel on. Quick. Torque them up when we get it back down on the ground.